What if you had an AI assistant seamlessly integrated into the tools you use every single day? An assistant that doesn't just answer questions, but actively helps you create, analyze, and collaborate like never before? Well, stop dreaming, because that's exactly what Microsoft Copilot promises. And today, we're diving deep into how this AI powerhouse is changing the game for everyone from students to seasoned professionals. You've heard the buzz about AI, maybe you've dabbled with ChatGPT or other tools, but Microsoft Copilot is different. It's not just another AI, it's your everyday AI companion, deeply woven into the fabric of Microsoft 365, Windows, and even Bing. Think of it as a co-pilot for your digital life, ready to boost your productivity and unlock new levels of creativity. Forget blank pages and tedious tasks. We're going to show you how Copilot can draft entire documents from a simple prompt, summarize lengthy email threads in seconds, create stunning presentations from your ideas, and even help you code. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand Copilot's true potential and how you can leverage it. So what's under the hood? At its core, Microsoft Copilot utilizes advanced large language models, LLMs, similar to the technology powering tools like ChatGPT. But the magic lies in its deep integration and contextual awareness. Copilot connects to the Microsoft Graph, which is essentially the intelligent fabric that understands the relationships between your data, your emails, documents, meetings, chats, and calendar. This allows Copilot to provide highly personalized and relevant assistance without compromising your privacy and security. Microsoft has emphasized its commitment to responsible AI principles, ensuring your data remains your data. There isn't just one Copilot, it shows up in different ways. Copilot in Microsoft 365 apps. This is where many will experience its power first. Imagine being in Word and asking Copilot to draft a project proposal based on notes from last week's Teams meeting and our Q1 sales data. Boom, a first draft appears. Copilot in Windows, making your entire operating system smarter. Need to find a specific file, change a setting, or even get help troubleshooting? Copilot is there. Copilot with Bing, supercharging your web searches with conversational AI, image generation, and comprehensive answers. Copilot Studio. For businesses, this allows customization and building bespoke Copilot experiences tailored to specific workflows. Okay, theory is great, but let's talk real-world impact. How does Copilot actually help you? Be drowning in emails? Copilot in Outlook can summarize long threads, help you prioritize, and even draft replies in your tone. Running late to a Teams meeting? Copilot can provide a real-time summary of what you missed and list action items. One user, a marketing manager, reported saving nearly 4 hours a week just on email management and meeting catch-ups using Copilot. As a whole afternoon back for strategic work. Facing writer's block, in Word, Copilot can generate outlines, draft paragraphs, or even rewrite sections in a different style. In PowerPoint, you can give it a Word document or a simple prompt like, create a 10-slide presentation about the future of renewable energy, and Copilot will generate a fully designed presentation with speaker notes. A recent study showed users getting to a good first draft 85% faster with Copilot. Think about the time saved on research papers, blog posts, or client presentations. Excel can be intimidating, but with Copilot in Excel, you can ask questions in natural language like, analyze this sales data and show me the top 3 performing regions by Q4, or create a forecast for next quarter based on this trend. Copilot can generate formulas, create charts, and identify insights you might have missed. It can even access data from the web directly within Excel. For developers, GitHub Copilot is already a well-known productivity booster, suggesting code, completing functions, and even helping to learn new languages. Copilot is bringing similar assistive intelligence across Microsoft's developer tools. And the exciting part? Microsoft is constantly rolling out new features and improvements. Recently, we've seen enhancements like using Copilot during Teams calls without transcription if needed for privacy, gaining insights from images in OneDrive, and even more powerful agent capabilities in Copilot chat. It's an evolving platform. To really unlock Copilot's potential, here are a few tips. Be specific with your prompts. The more context you give Copilot, the better the results. Instead of write an email, try draft a polite follow-up email to about the proposal we sent last Tuesday, highlighting the key benefits X, Y, and Z. Iterate and refine. Copilot provides a great starting point. Use its suggestions, then refine and personalize them. It's a collaborator, not a replacement for your critical thinking. Explore its capabilities. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try Copilot in different apps, ask it different types of questions. You'll be surprised by what it can do. Understand its limitations. While powerful, Copilot isn't infallible. Always review its output for accuracy and bias, especially for critical tasks. It's a tool to assist, not to make final decisions blindly. Stay updated. Follow Microsoft's announcements for new features and best practices. The tool is evolving rapidly. Microsoft Copilot is more than just a feature. It's a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology. It's about augmenting human potential, automating the mundane, and freeing us up to focus on what truly matters: creativity, strategic thinking, and complex problem solving. As AI continues to advance, tools like Copilot will become even more integrated and intuitive. We're just scratching the surface of what's possible. So, are you ready to get your AI superpowers? If you're already using Microsoft 365, explore the Copilot features available to you. If not, it might be a compelling reason to consider it. What are your thoughts on Microsoft Copilot? Are you already using it? What are your favorite features or biggest questions? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experiences. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future deep dives into the latest AI tools and trends. We've got a lot more exciting content coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.